Hello, how do you analyze stocks for position trading using long uptrend line position trading strategy? It is our swing trading strategy that we used last year, but we are going to use a long uptrend line as our entry point. That's why I'm changing it from swing trading to position trading, because we are going to hold it longer than what we did last year. So for our long uptrend line strategy, we are going to use 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart. It is our swing trading strategy. It is the same thing, but we are just going with our long uptrend lines that we trace. We are going to go through multiple swings before we will sell. The goal is, do you see this uptrend line that we trace? This is 2024, this is 2023. So it is almost 1 year and a half trend line. We have multiple touch base to it, and the goal is buying, and when it touch base with the trend line and start going up, and sell it when it reach a new high and is going to reach that new high a few times, and sell it before it reach back this trend line that we bought it at, and then buy it again. So therefore, there is a possibility we'll hold the stocks for through multiple swings and for many weeks, in contrast to swing trading that we used last year using short uptrend line, where we purchase the arrows just so where we purchased and where we sold. So we try to purchase on one side of the swing and sell on the same side of the swing, the up side of the swing, before it goes down. Unless it pull back on us right after we purchase it, then we will hold on to it until it goes back up, and it will make us go through few swings before we will sell. But with our long uptrend line strategy, I anticipate we will let the stocks go through multiple swings before we sell. Therefore, it will be more like position trading, because swing trading can be few days to a week or few weeks or so, while position trading could be a few weeks to few months. Therefore, I think position trading, or something between swing trading and position trading, is what we are doing this year. We all will see how that will work out. In the meantime, I will be using those terminology, swing trading and position trading. But I just know that I do not want to trade on a short trend line this year. So that's why I'm calling it long trend line swing trading strategy, a position trading strategy. So, and we have our trend line trace. Let's go through our terminology a little bit. So as a swing trader / position trader, we are going to use daily chart. So it could be 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart, but we are going to use maximum daily chart, because for long trend lines, to trace long trend lines, those trend lines tend to be very low. Therefore, on 1 year daily chart, you may not see all your trend lines that you trace that you like to use as the entry point where you like to buy the stocks when the stock touch base with that trend line and start making higher lows around that trend line. Therefore, maximum daily chart is more adequate to use. The difference between maximum daily chart and 1 year daily chart is 1 year daily chart will display 1 year time frame on your screen, while maximum daily chart will display more than 1 year on your screen. And you can scroll to go to the further to the past, but I do not do that. But on the screen we'll have more than 1 year. On the x-axis we have the dates. That's where you'll see the years, and on the y-axis you'll have the price. And we have a video on stock watch list that we have been releasing that show how we pick the stocks for our watch list and how we trace those trend lines. But the trend lines is touching the lows, the support of the chart, and we trace up trend lines, 1 year or longer trend lines, and we just like to wait for the price to continue going up and pull back, and when it touch base with the trend line and start making higher lows around the trend line, we'll buy at the first green bar that follow a pullback. That is our long up trend line swing trading strategy that equal position trading, in my opinion. And then we tend to sell when it reach a new high or when our minimum profit target is reached. That we will change how that is going to work out once we start going through the year. The goal with this strategy is to swing trade less, to buy and sell stock less often, so that therefore it'll take a while for us to buy and it'll take us a while for us to sell that stock that we purchased. That's why I'm switching my terminology from swing trading to position trading, as we are going to be now swing trade often. So it, in my opinion, is still swing trading, but not swing trading often. Go to multiple swings for us to reach our goal. The chart will go to multiple swings. Therefore, for our chart analysis, we are not going to pay attention too much to what the stocks is doing right now. We will zoom a little bit to see the price bar, but we are not going to pay too much attention to it until it touch base or get closer to our trend line. And the trend line we like to buy at, we color in purple line so that we can distinguish it from short trend lines that we trace in 2024 to trade on. Because we are using daily chart, every single bar is a daily price fluctuation of the stock. And red bar just means the price went down that day. The price opened in the morning at a higher level. The price in the morning when the market opened was at a higher level. You see, when I put my mouse there, is corresponding to a price than the price when the market closed in the evening. It closed at a price that is lower than the price that the market opened in the morning. Therefore, the price dropped that day. And the tick at the top of the price bar just shows you how high the price went that day, and the tick at the bottom of the price bar just shows you how low the price went that day. A green price bar just shows you that the price opened at a low level in the morning, meaning the price in the morning when the market opened correspond to is lower than the price when the market closed in the evening. Therefore, the price went up that day. And with the price on the y-axis, it starts from 0 all the way up. Therefore, when I put my mouse at the bottom width of the rectangle, it's going to correspond to a price that is lower than when I put my mouse on the top width of the rectangle of this green bar. So that is pretty much what, you know, our long up to long swing trading strategy or position trading strategy is. We are going to hold the stocks once we purchase it through earnings as well. We will see how it will work. We did that last year, even when we were swing trading, buying and selling within a few days. So the red bar, I like to call them pullback, and the green bar, I like to say the price is going up, even if the green bar is at a lower level than the red bar. To buy, we like to buy at the first green bar that follow a pullback when we are seeing a higher lows. For instance, for this one here, let's assume we have an uptrend line. In fact, let's look at last year when we swing trade. This we could have purchased it, and by when it was green, and by the end of the day it turned red. It can happen as well because we trade around noon time. That's halfway through the day. Usually by noon, the color of the price bar is going to remain the same. It's going to tell you what it's going to be for that day, but it could still change. So we like to trade around noon, and the price we purchase at the first green bar after a pullback. In this instance, the one we purchased it, that was pretty much toward the end of that trend line. Therefore, the price went down. If I take this area where we are having higher lows, this will be an entry point because it's a green bar after a pullback, and this pullback is higher than this, so we have an uptrend line here. So that is how we will determine our entry point. So now that we talk a little bit about our long uptrend line swing trading strategy, let's analyze a few. We have our stock watch list, and the first one is going to be ADI. So ADI is still higher up compared to where we like to buy at. Is consolidating there. Yesterday was a pullback. The next one is ADP. We have 79 stocks to analyze. Therefore, we are going to go through it quickly, and this strategy could work for you if you have a busy schedule because you are not going to trade often. But it's good to analyze your stock on a daily basis to analyze their chart. So it's still far from our trend line, and it seems to be creating a short trend line here because this low is higher than this one. This one is about the same as this, but we have a trend line going on there. It's still going up and far from where we like to enter. AFL. So AFL is still higher up compared to the trend line we like to buy at. It seems to be following this trend line at the moment, so still going up. Yesterday the price went up. For a swing trading, that could be an entry point since we have an up trend line here, but that was last year strategy that we used, following the chart and buying it along. Those three that are highlighted, we purchased them, we have them in our portfolio. AJG, the arrows on the chart just shows where we purchased it previously. The arrow at the bottom pointing on a price bar show where we bought, and the arrow on the top facing down show where we sold. For instance, we purchased it here, and then shortly after it pulled back and we just let it be until it became higher up compared to where we bought it for us to have a profit, and we sold it. So we bought it again, and that trend ended, and it has been going down ever since. So here we do have an uptrend going on here, and it still could be this one continuing, but it's far from this trend line, and we are not going to buy it. We are just going to wait until we sell the one we have in our portfolio. AME, we purchased a few times in 2024 along a short trend line. We purchased it again. When I put it here, you will see the dates at the bottom of the screen. In November, it went up a little bit, and then that trend line ended, and it has been going down ever since. Still far from the trend line that we trace for our next entry point. AMP, you can see multiple arrows on the chart, just shows you where we purchased them last year, and we purchased it again right on this trend line, and then that trend line is August trend line. It originated in August, and then it pulled back, but it seems to be, we do have an uptrend line here. So I don't know if he's thinking about going up from there, but because this is a short uptrend line, when that trend line ended, it could decide to fall back to the trend line below. But again, we bought it there. So the next one is APH. APH is far from our trend line. This trend line ended. We bought it there and sold it there. This trend line ended, and right now is around that trend line, but a little bit below it. You'll know that a trend line ended when you are finding your price bar, especially the red one, below that trend line. Do you see this low? For instance, this last one is below this trend line. Therefore, we could say this trend line ended. Even this low, because you have a green bar here, this is the pullback. So you can see that this is below this trend line. So sometimes it can do that, and then it will go back on top of it. But when we have that, and then we have this is again a pullback, even lower, we can see that this trend line ended. And I thought it's going to start another one there, but that one was very short. And then we have this. So pretty much it's creating lower lows. Therefore, it's going down. And when I say lower lows, again, this low is lower than this low. And I will talk about lows when I'm seeing green bar. So because I have a green bars here, I know that this 3 days pullback ended. So I will talk about this last one of the pullbacks of this 3 days pullback. So this low, I will compare it to this low, because this low is just 1 day pullback, because I have a green here and so forth. So, and because I'm looking for stocks to purchase, I'll be talking about lows. That is how we trace our uptrend line. It's touching lows. You see this uptrend line here is touching lows. It started from there, and the next low that it came across, I trace it connecting those two. So you need 2 point minimum, 2 point to trace a straight line. So I like to trace my trend line connecting 2 close lows. Although they are green bar, they are the 2 points that are lower than the pullback. So I just use them to trace it. And as I'm tracing that straight line, I'll just see at that point that are closer to it. So, but yeah. The next one is ATO. So ATO, we like to buy at this line, but right now is higher up, is still going up, and we have an uptrend line developing here. Since this high, this low, this pullback is higher than this one. Whether it's going to continue or not, I don't know. But yesterday was a price increase. AZO, because we have a green bar there. So AZO is really around this trend line. That's where we like to get in. And right now, this short trend line ended and is going down. You can see in 2024, our purchases of it around short trend line. You see how we did it, following the short trend line, following the chart around. This year, we don't want to do that. We pick a long trend line to wait. When it touch base with it and start going up, we can buy. So this one seems to be going down. If it's going down to it, then we'll be waiting for it. So this will conclude this first session of how to analyze stocks for long uptrend line, swing trading or position trading. That is part one. We are going to have short videos to analyze our stocks. We have 79 of them, so that we can make a short videos, and all of them, the link to all of them will be in the description, and they will be in the playlist Tarot Swing Trading. The link to that playlist is in the description as well, and that playlist will be on the screen at the end of the video. And to summarize what we talk about for our swing trading strategy, we use short uptrend line for it, and you saw for some stocks, and we bought it at the first green bar, and we sold it 3 days later if the green bar continue to go up, or when our minimum profit target was reached. So we set a small profit target, small dollar amount per trade, or average a dollar amount per trade, and then, you know, yeah, or we can even do lower depending on your cash available in the account or account value, so that we can trade often to practice the strategy. But for this year, we like to trade on a long uptrend line. So that's long uptrend line swing trading strategy. The principle is the same as last year when it comes to picking up stocks for watch lists, but the difference is we pick a trend line which is long, and because we are at the beginning of the year, we pick a trend line that is longer than 1 year to be our entry point, and we just wait at that trend line. So that trend line is the valley, is going by the bottom of the mountain, so it is the valley. So I like to use those same terminology for us to see, because the chart is creating mountain and valleys, and our trend line just passed by the valleys to create an upper trend line, because the beginning is low, the end is high, so it's tilted up. Because we are using large cap upward stocks, they are going up. So we will buy at the trend line that we pick to wait at the valley that we wait at for the stocks to come down. When it start making higher lows, like it's showing that it's going to start climbing a mountain or hiking up again, we will get in. So, and then we'll sell it when it reach a new peak, a new high, or our minimum price target is reached, we will sell. So we will see how many swings we will go through before we decide to sell. We might find some high, it might reach some high, and we might decide not to sell. but to wait for the next high and so forth. We will see. Thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos, for how we pick our stocks for our stock watch list. Will you please visit our swing trading strategy, a swing trading playlist as well. Yeah, those tarots have watch lists in it. But yeah, how we create those purple lines, we record that video and pick those stocks for our watch list together. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel, and in asop.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your need. Thank you.